So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Whether you are consultation subscriptions or just taking a break, canceling Gemini Pro is straightforward, but the exact steps depend on where and how you signed up. Gemini Pro subscriptions are managed through Google One, but there is a twist. If you subscribe through a third party like the iOS or Android App Store, you need to cancel through their platform, not Google. And if you are a workspace administrator managing Gemini for a business or school, you will need to use the Google Admin Console. So in this guide, I will cover all of them scenarios so you can cancel your subscription no matter how you signed up. First thing first, check where you subscribed. So as you see here, when you have already getting the subscription, or basically when you are already paying for it, you want to be able to see upgrade to Google AI Plus. So you will be able to see multiple options about your subscription. Then you can cancel through Google One or the web subscriptions if you want to. Go to one.google.com, click on the settings, then click on manage, cancel subscription, and that's it. You can even select a reason for the cancellation. You can even cancel through the App Store or iOS subscriptions, settings on your iPhone or iPad, tap your name, Apple ID at the top, tap subscriptions, find Gemini Pro in the list, and cancel the subscription and confirm. As for the step number 4, cancel through the Google Play or Android subscription. If you subscribe to the Google Play Store, open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon, payments and subscriptions, and cancel it from the Gemini Pro list. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.